We are now going to take a look at local and regional search examples. Initially, I've been focusing on the keyword SEO services hostinger, but now I'll switch to SEO services near me. This change emphasizes regional searches and also brings up a Google map, where, notably, our company Pixelhaze is conveniently displayed at the top with a tally of 25 5-star ratings. These ratings are from Google reviews for our Google My Business page, marking it as a vital component for anyone aiming to establish a website presence in local searches.
It's particularly crucial for businesses with a physical presence, whether it's a retail shop, a service agency, or a construction company, highlighting the importance of being visible on Google My Business and, consequently, Google Maps. Exploring further, platforms like Bark serve as an online marketplace for SEO providers in your specific region, offering another avenue for visibility.
By adjusting the search to include a specific company name, in this case, Pixelhaze, you can observe how the company's website and its Google My Business profile appear prominently. Therefore, obtaining a Google My Business listing is not merely beneficial for being found in local searches, but also ensures that your company's profile, alongside any high number of positive reviews, is visible to potential clients. If the process of setting this up seems daunting, Pixelhaze offers services to get your business listed on Google My Business at a competitive, fixed fee, with more information available in the description.